Alright, I wanted to demonstrate some of the new concepts that I'm working on for cut mesh or Polytrim, which is really evolving more into a generic surface segmentation tool, because segmenting out a region of interest is really one of the fundamental steps. So making this as robust and versatile as possible is going to take us further. The more planning we can put in on the front end, the more useful it'll be. So what started as a polygon-based cutter, where the goal is extremely precise, often sharp cuts, also evolved into kind of a stroke-based boundary selection, because a stroke is really just a polygon with points really close together. And then it's important that these be editable and adjustable. But another way that is kind of natural to define a region is kind of by painting and nudging the region, extending the region from within or nudging it back in from outside. And I take that lesson from Mesh Mixer and then some of the things that they've implemented in Archform. So if we want to take our precise boundaries and kind of create regions from them, we can come back and paint and extend those regions. Or even if we wanted to start with painting, just create a region from scratch by painting where there's not an existing region. And it might be nice to come back and go back to a polygon-based editing. And so right now I have it previewing but not actually converting. So you can see these pink outlines here define what would be the new smoothed and interpolated perimeter of these patches, which then you could go back and grab and edit and draw, and you could switch back and forth seamlessly between these different modes. And I feel like that's going to provide the most versatile baseline segmentation tool, and then you can streamline it for specific use cases, whether you're marking a retainer boundary, a splint boundary, a custom tray boundary, anything that you're trying to do. So that is the update for now. I've got a big development push next weekend where I'm working with a professional software engineer over the weekend, and I hope to have this new format into the next version of D3Tool at the end of November.